these 3 fruits you should be eating for breakfast to detox kidneys. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring how you can start your day off right with 3 powerful fruits that can help detox your kidneys. A healthy breakfast is the foundation of a good day, and including these fruits can significantly boost your kidney health. Remember, this video is for educational purposes, so always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet. Let's dive into the world of kidney detoxification. The importance of kidney health. Before we get into the specific fruits, let's talk about why kidney health is so crucial. Your kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste products, excess fluids, and toxins from your blood, maintaining a proper balance of electrolytes and producing essential hormones that regulate blood pressure and red blood cell production. When your kidneys are not functioning optimally, waste products and toxins can accumulate in your body, leading to a variety of health issues such as fatigue, swelling, and high blood pressure. In severe cases, poor kidney function can result in chronic kidney disease or kidney failure. That's why it's important to support your kidneys through a healthy diet. Including certain fruits in your breakfast can provide your body with the necessary nutrients and antioxidants to aid in kidney detoxification and promote overall kidney health. Let's explore the first fruit on our list. Lemon, the citrus cleanser. First up is the citrus wonder, lemons. Lemons are known for their powerful detoxifying properties and their ability to support kidney health. How lemons help detox kidneys. Lemons are rich in citric acid, which can help prevent kidney stones by increasing the urine's citrate levels, making it more difficult for stone-forming minerals to crystallize. This citric acid also helps dissolve small kidney stones, aiding in their expulsion from the body. Nutritional benefits. In addition to citric acid, lemons are packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C also supports the immune system, which is crucial for overall health. How to incorporate lemons into your breakfast. Incorporating lemons into your breakfast is easy and refreshing. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water to kickstart your metabolism and hydration. You can also squeeze lemon juice over your fruit salad, add it to smoothies, or use it as a dressing for a nutritious breakfast bowl. By making lemons a part of your morning routine, you're giving your kidneys a powerful boost in detoxification and overall health. Cranberries, the urinary tract protectors. Next, let's talk about cranberries, small but mighty berries known for their benefits to the urinary tract and kidney health. How cranberries help detox kidneys. Cranberries are renowned for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can sometimes lead to kidney infections if left untreated. They contain unique compounds called proanthocyanidins that prevent bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infection. Nutritional benefits. Cranberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and various phytonutrients, which help reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. These antioxidants also support the immune system and promote overall health. How to incorporate cranberries into your breakfast. Adding cranberries to your breakfast can be both delicious and beneficial. Fresh or dried cranberries can be mixed into your morning yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothie. You can also enjoy a refreshing glass of unsweetened cranberry juice as part of your breakfast. Including cranberries in your morning routine helps maintain a healthy urinary tract and supports kidney detoxification, ensuring your kidneys function optimally. Watermelon, the hydration hero. Finally, let's discuss watermelon, the ultimate hydration hero and a fantastic fruit for kidney detox. How watermelon helps detox kidneys. Watermelon is made up of about 92% water, making it excellent for hydrating the body and supporting kidney function. Proper hydration is crucial for the kidneys to effectively filter out toxins and waste products from the blood. Nutritional benefits. In addition to its high water content, watermelon is rich in vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as antioxidants like lycopene. Lycopene, in particular, helps reduce inflammation and oxidative damage in the kidneys, promoting their health and function. How to incorporate watermelon into your breakfast. Watermelon is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways for breakfast. Simply cut it into cubes and eat it fresh, blend it into a smoothie, or add it to a fruit salad. You can also make a refreshing watermelon juice to start your day with a hydrating boost. By including watermelon in your breakfast, you're ensuring that your kidneys stay hydrated and healthy, aiding in the detoxification process. Combining these fruits for a power-packed breakfast. Now that we've explored the individual benefits of lemons, cranberries, and watermelon, let's talk about how you can combine these fruits for a power-packed breakfast that supports kidney detoxification. Creating a balanced breakfast. A balanced breakfast that includes these three fruits can provide a variety of nutrients, antioxidants, and hydration needed for optimal kidney health. For example, you can start your day with a refreshing smoothie made from watermelon, cranberries, and a splash of lemon juice. This combination not only tastes delicious, but also offers a potent mix of hydration, detoxification, and immune support. Additional tips for kidney health. In addition to including these fruits in your breakfast, remember to stay well hydrated throughout the day, maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and limit your intake of processed foods high in salt and sugar. Regular exercise and avoiding smoking or excessive alcohol consumption are also crucial for maintaining kidney health. By making lemons, cranberries, and watermelon a regular part of your breakfast, you're taking proactive steps towards detoxifying your kidneys and supporting overall health. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have you tried incorporating these fruits into your breakfast? Let us know in the comments below. And if you have any other topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to suggest them. Stay healthy and happy.